and welcome to today's video of the 30 Days of Etsy series. In today's video, we're going to be running through how to create your first Etsy ads campaign so you can start driving more traffic and sales to your Etsy shop. Okay, so to get started, we're just here in my Shop Manager dashboard for the Makers Branding shop. Now, I haven't created any ads for this shop as yet, so it'll be interesting to see what Etsy ads can do for a newer shop like the Makers Branding shop. Okay, so what you want to do is on the left-hand side here, the menu, you want to head on over to where it says Marketing, and then it's just got this little arrow, just click on that, and then it's going to open up another sub-menu, and you're going to notice the second option down from the top is Etsy Ads. Just click on that to get started. Now, if you haven't run any ads before, it's going to come up with a little bit of information about what Etsy ads are and how they can benefit you in your shop. So it's going to say here, so reach more buyers with Etsy ads. It's going to give you a little bit of a testimonial here, a little bit more information about what Etsy ads can do for you, so it can increase your visits and expand your reach. And then you can watch this video here, but it's saying Etsy makes it easy to start advertising. Get started for just $1 a day. All you need to do is set your budget, choose which listings to promote, and away you go. So let's go here where it says start your campaign and click on that. Now it's going to come up with this little notification, so start Etsy ads in just a few steps. Now Etsy wants to make sure that you're going to create ads that are going to help you drive further to your goal. So it's going to say here, so first tell us your goals so we can drive the best results for your shop. Do you want to reach new buyers? Do you want to bring more traffic? Do you want to promote new products or drive more sales? For me, I want to reach new buyers, I want to bring more traffic, and I want to drive more sales. Then click Next, set your budget. So here it says, we set your daily budget to promote your listings and deliver the best results for your ad spend. Set a budget between US $1 and US $50, and you can change it anytime. Now, if you watched the video previous to this one about getting started with Etsy ads, I recommend getting started with a lower budget because you're going to be advertising more of your product listings. That way you can get more data and then use that data to optimize your ads even better. So for today, I'm just going to set a daily budget of $1. Now it's going to say here, so keep in mind a higher budget means we can show your ads more often in high visibility places on Etsy. To drive the best results, consider keeping your budget the same for 30 days. So like I mentioned, you don't really want to muck around too much with the Etsy ads to start with. Let it run for as long as you can, preferably the 30 days, so that Etsy can collect all that really important analytics and data. Then just click Start Advertising. So once you've clicked that button, it's going to redirect you to this message. So success, you're now advertising with a budget of US $1 a day. Your listings now appear higher up in Etsy search, which means you're reaching more buyers searching for items like yours. Then just below that, you can manage your budget. So if you wanted to change it, which I don't recommend doing just yet, but if you needed to, all you got to do is press here, so where it says manage your budget. And then you can change the amount here. For now, I'm just going to cancel that. You can manage your advertised listings. So let's just click into that. So here is where you can select all the products within your shop that you would like to advertise. For me, I'm going to select all of my items. Now currently I have only 8 Etsy listings for my new shop. I'm trying hard to work on new products for this Etsy shop, but I have been busy uploading these videos every day, so it's been quite difficult. But once I get more products listed, I will also advertise these. But for now, let's just go select all. Now, if you didn't want to select all of your Etsy listings, it's as easy as just clicking the check mark here and then it'll unselect that item. Okay, so let's say you didn't want any of these in your Etsy listings. It'd just be as easy as unchecking that box. Okay, so let's go select all and let's go update. Okay, and then under other options here, it just gives you an option to either share your feedback or you can turn off your Etsy ads with just this one click here. Okay, so it's really simple to start advertising with your Etsy ads. When your ads start working, you're going to start seeing your ad stats. So you can choose whether or not you want to see it for the last 30 days, today, yesterday, this month. So you can get a more in-depth view of how your Etsy ads are performing. Let's just scroll down a little further. So really, when you're looking at your Etsy ads, this is where you're going to probably concentrate most of your time because it's going to give you a breakdown of each Etsy listing and then how those ads are performing. So it's going to give you how many ad views you've received, how many clicks you've gotten from those ads, how many orders you've gotten from those ads, and then the revenue, and then how much of the budget you've spent. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to keep an eye out on all of these listings that you've got advertised just to see how they're performing. Like I mentioned, try not to muck around too much with which Etsy listings you are promoting, and then also that ad budget. Just keep an eye out on how those ads are performing, because you never know, you might actually stop an ad just before it's going to actually do its magic. In an upcoming video, perhaps over the next week or so, I will come back to these ads and then we'll do an update to see how they're performing. So perhaps let's give it 7 days. I will come back to the ads of the Makers Branding Shop and I'll give you a bit of an update to see how these ads are performing and whether or not they've driven more traffic and more sales to my shop. Now, if you've tried ads with another platform, let's say Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, you're going to come into doing Etsy ads probably with the expectation that it's confusing and hard and a little bit overwhelming. You can see with this very quick demonstration that getting started with Etsy ads is so simple. So I hope that this was encouraging. Now, I did mention in the previous video that before you do start your Etsy ads, you want to make sure that your SEO is optimized and you've got those searchable keywords in your titles, your description, and in your tags. If you don't have those basics set up, Etsy ads are not going to perform well. So just have a think about that before you get started with your ads. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful today. If you have any questions about ads, I will try my best to answer them as best as I can. Like I previously mentioned, I'm no Etsy guru here, but I have had some success with my other Etsy shop. If there's anything I can help you with, I would be more than happy to answer. Now, if you'd like to connect with me on a more personal level, please feel free to come join the private Facebook group. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can come join and connect with other Etsy newbies just like yourself. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye for now.